This is QLED. This is QLED, and this is the pixel problem. You have see, this is the line, and this is the line. It's pixel line. It's 82 QLED, and problem is there. You have see small pixel is going different color, so it's pixel sorting there. So I will show you how to repair that 82-inch QLED. It's QLED 82-inch. It's very big TV. Easily you can repair on this machine. Okay, I will show you what happened. You have seen there, this pixel is glowing, this is not glowing. And if I show you from different side, so you have seen all pixel is glowing one by one. You have seen it's glowing little bit. Okay. And same if you are seeing upside all green glowing, but this green is not glowing. Okay, you see all glowing. This green is not glowing, and this blue is glowing, but another is not powerful. So it means man fault is there. Okay, so now we do brightness. It's control with there. You can see that brightness. Okay, so we found that problem is there. This line short with this line, so main problem is there. Okay, I will show actual the problem. You have seen that line. Okay, so it's there, problem is there. So we are showing what we are showing in screen. It's for this small part. This is the laser machine, and we can repair with that laser machine very easily that lines. This is the pixel line for QLED. Okay, now you can see now I want to show you. I cut this line. You have see, I cut this line because this is sorting. Now you can see it's glowing like normally. Okay, and that green is glowing perfectly. Okay, I want to show you just only because of this pixel. Only of this pixel, it's sorting there. That power affected with this power, so it's going spark there, and now you can see there is no line. Okay, Okay, you can see there is no line. So line is repaired. It's QLED, 82-inch QLED. And how to repair 82-inch QLED? It's new Samsung one. Okay, that pixel problem, it's manufacturing default inside the pixel. So only with this laser machine we can repair that pixel problem. That machine manufactured by Panel Repair Factory India Private Limited. So I will show you what with big zoom. Okay, okay, you have see, yeah. Oh. So you have seen that the bad conductor, this the conductor, this is conductor, but inside there is junction for that diode for QLED. So for there its power is going spark inside. You cannot see, but it's two layer. Between that three layer is junction. It's going bad. That's why that power is sparking with this, and it's going bad. But now you can see everything is good. Everything is perfect. So we complete that QLED, and I want to show you in big some zoom out. Okay, how can see the pixel look like that, pixel look like that, and you cannot see, you cannot find now what we repair. It's QLED only we can repair with that laser machine. It's possible that pixel. Okay, thank you, take care, bye bye.